If you're a YouTube content creator looking for fresh ideas to unlock your channel's full potential, you've come to the right place. Introducing Vidiq Daily Ideas, your secret weapon to ignite your creativity and maximize your YouTube success. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel AI Tools Corner. This is a space where we'll explore, learn, and share together. I'm committed to providing you with engaging and valuable content. With Vidiq Daily Ideas, you'll never run out of inspiration again. Every day, their team of experts create a list of trending topics, popular niches, and untapped ideas just for you. And it gets even better. You can access all of this potential right at your fingertips with our user-friendly Vidiq Daily Ideas app. Simply download it, and you'll have a constant stream of video ideas tailored to your specific audience. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to create next. With Vidiq Daily Ideas, you'll have a plethora of exciting concepts to choose from, helping you stay ahead in the fast-paced world of YouTube. But they don't stop there. As well, they provide you with valuable insights, such as keyword suggestions, competition analysis, and video optimization tips. Vidiq Daily Ideas is not just about inspiration, it's about giving you the knowledge to optimize your video for success. Imagine the growth potential for your channel when armed with the latest trends, niche ideas, and optimization strategies. Let Vidiq Daily Ideas help unlock your YouTube potential and take your channel to new heights. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Subscribe to Vidiq Daily Ideas, and let us be your creative compass, guiding you towards unlimited success on YouTube. You can buy its Pro or Boost version to improve YouTube viewership. For this, AI Tools Corner family can get additional 50% discount for 2 months as well by using promo code AI Tools Corner. Link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to AI Tools Corner channel for more invaluable tips and tools to elevate your YouTube journey. Together, let's unlock your YouTube potential with Vidiq Daily Ideas.